Welcome to our Adventure Miles.
It's room tour day, so we're here in Krakow and we're going to show you our room. So the front door is right here, which is a code entry. You come into this hall. We'll go to the backyard, the garden.
The garden.
So this is one door that leads to our place, and there's two apartments. Here is our room. And Steve's just going to do basically a 360 of this room. It's a studio. This is not going to take long at all. To the right is an armoire, and there's a full-length mirror too. And storage space above the armoire. Whoops. The bed has two end tables and a cushion back, which is always nice. The blinds just got changed actually. They were white in color and the owner just left and made a blackout. We have a TV that faces the bed and a table with two chairs. There's one other lounge type of chair. With the kitchen, there is a refrigerator only. There's no freezer. The dishwasher, a 2-burner stove, a microwave, basically everything that we need. And then through this door is your bathroom. Now it's a standard bathroom. And that's our unit.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
Today is Tuesday. Tuesday is a big day in Krakow.
Yes.
A lot of the sites are free. For some reason, Tuesday is the best day to be in Krakow.
Majority of the
And-
stuff that you saw on our last Sights and Sounds video
Well,
on
everything
Tuesday,
that
pretty
you
much.
saw was free. So today is another big day of sightseeing. Every day of the week, from Monday to Thursday, there are many sites that are free at certain times. And so this is the beauty behind Poland that we didn't realize until I started investigating a little bit more and discovered this. So
It'll be
let's
an
just get
interesting
on
day.
with it
Yes.
and start the
Get on
day.
with the day. So we rented these bikes. These bikes go down along the river trail all the way to a monastery, which is about 14 miles apparently. the video, please subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.